Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics ready. Charged JLab headphones in pairing mode and your phone or laptop Bluetooth on. First, forget any existing JLab pairing to clear corrupted keys. This forces a clean handshake. Next, toggle Bluetooth off and on to reset the radio, then reboot the headphones by powering them fully off and on. Once done, place the headphones within 3 feet of your device. Proximity reduces interference and speeds up discovery, so keep other radios away while you pair. Now open your device's full Bluetooth settings screen to start pairing. Quick menus can skip necessary prompts. Select the exact JLab model name shown. Ambiguous names cause mismatches. If a PIN or confirmation appears, accept it. This completes the authentication. If pairing stalls, switch to airplane mode briefly and retry to avoid Wi-Fi/BLE interference. Also ensure the JLab app or firmware is up to date, because outdated firmware often blocks modern Bluetooth handshakes and codec negotiation. After pairing, set the JLab as your default audio output and check codec preference for better quality. Test both media and call audio to confirm microphone routing. Adjust volume limit settings if low. If everything works, you're done. If not, perform a factory reset on the headphones. This wipes corrupt settings and retry pairing with a second device to isolate the problem. As a last tip, update your host device's Bluetooth drivers or OS. Driver bugs often prevent stable connections and are fixable with updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.